In this video, I'm going to share a small but really handy Python script I created for Cinema 4D. This script automatically generates random lines between two objects in your scene. You can then use these lines with a hair tag in Redshift or Octane to get some cool render effects. I've tested it with Cinema 4D 2023 and later, and haven't run into any issues. Using it is super simple. First, add two objects to your scene and place them in different positions. Make both objects editable, then select them together. Go to the Extensions menu, choose Run Script, and open the script file. That's it. You can download this script from the link in the video description. And if you'd like to access even more free content, you can join my Patreon page for free and get notified about new updates.